Hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome to our very first review video on the Aryan's Tech and Travel channel. Today we have something very special for you, the GoPro Hero 9. Before we dive into the unboxing and review, let's talk about the specifications that make this camera stand out.
The GoPro Hero 9 features a 23.6 megapixel sensor that captures stunning 5K videos and 20 megapixel photos. It has Hyper Smooth 3.0 stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even in the most extreme conditions.
I have not yet used this camera in my travel videos, but I can assure you that you will see the results very soon. Let's unbox the GoPro Hero 9 and see what's inside. So we have this bag with the name GoPro over here. So this is the bag itself. It has all the contents and the user manual and paperwork over here. So this is kind of like a mini manual about how to operate the GoPro, and it has some stickers over here. We'll keep that aside for now. This is just an advertisement of the subscription of GoPro app. And this is a really thick manual. I don't like it. So this is a USB-C type cable for charging. Let's keep that over there. This is the GoPro itself. It's covered in paper to make sure that the 30,000 camera does not get damaged. This is a rechargeable battery. This is a curved glue mount for putting it on the helmet. This is a mount for the same camera stand over here. And this is a screw for the mount. So like Apple, GoPro has a different mount for itself. You cannot use any other mount with it. You'll have to buy a different mount for the GoPro. So this is the pouch, quite sturdy. You can use it for travel. The build quality of the GoPro is fantastic. It feels rugged, durable, and perfect for outdoor activities. One of the standout features of the GoPro Hero 9 is the front-facing color display. It's great for vlogging and framing your shots perfectly. This display is a game changer, especially if you are someone who loves creating content on the go.
The GoPro Hero 9 offers a variety of shooting modes, including Time Wrap 3.0, which creates mesmerizing time-lapse videos, and Super Photo, which optimizes your photo for the best quality. One thing I love about the GoPro Hero 9 is its ruggedness. It's waterproof up to 10 meters without any housing, making it perfect for underwater adventures. No need to worry about getting wet while capturing those epic snorkeling or surfing moments.
With its impressive image quality, advanced features, and rugged build, it's a reliable companion for every adventure of yours.
That's it for our first review video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.